Hey Smart Shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we do the heavy lifting so you can make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two 3D printing titans, the ELEGOO Saturn 312 KMSLA 3D printer and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer. Both are priced at a wallet-friendly $399. But which one deserves your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. First up, print quality. ELEGOO Saturn 3 boasts a 12K LCD screen with a resolution so high it could probably print out the Mona Lisa and you'd still be squinting to see the pixels. Reviewers rave about its ability to produce intricate, high-quality prints right out of the box. On the other hand, FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is all about speed and precision, reaching up to 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration and a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second. Users love its efficiency and effectiveness in producing quality prints quickly. If you're all about those tiny, intricate details, ELEGOO Saturn 3 wins this round. But if you want to print faster than a cheetah on Red Bull, FLASHFORGE is your go-to. Next, ease of use. ELEGOO Saturn 3 offers a slicing software with 3 modes: static, dynamic, and high speed. It's generally easy to set up and use, with good customer support for any issues. However, FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M has a full auto one-click leveling system. You heard that right, one click. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly setup and built-in leveling and vibration correction algorithms. FLASHFORGE takes this category with its user-friendly, no-brainer setup. Sorry, ELEGOO, but ain't nobody got time for complicated settings. Now let's talk durability. ELEGOO Saturn 3 comes with a 9H hardness tempered film and a unique heat dissipation system. Reviewers find it durable and strong, even if some encountered issues with the print plate. Meanwhile, FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M has a robust design that's perfect for open and well-ventilated environments. Reviewers appreciate its sturdy build but noted occasional firmware freezes. ELEGOO Saturn 3 snags this one. It's built like a tank and will probably outlive us all. Plus, it's got a heat dissipation system that's cooler than your ex's heart. For extra features, ELEGOO Saturn 3 is equipped with VoxelDance Tango slicing software and open-source GOO slice format. It also has reliable Wi-Fi connectivity, although some users faced minor issues. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, however, has a filament runout sensor and power loss recovery. Users love these smart features, especially for preventing print failures. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M takes this round. With all these smart features, it's like the MacGyver of 3D printers. Both the ELEGOO Saturn 3 and FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M have received positive reviews overall. ELEGOO Saturn 3 is praised for its high print quality, ease of use, and durability, although some users faced issues with the print plate and tech support. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is appreciated for its speed, ease of use, and smart features, with some minor complaints about firmware freezes and touchscreen sensitivity. All right, smart shoppers, let's recap. If you're all about print quality and durability, ELEGOO Saturn 3 is your go-to. But if you want ease of use and extra features, then FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is your new best friend. Both are excellent choices at $399, so it all depends on what you value more. Remember, the best choice is the one that fits your needs. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. And hey, if you've got any questions or need a personal recommendation, drop a comment below about which product you prefer and why. We read them all. Well, most of them. Alright, maybe just the nice ones. See you next time. Product links are in the description.